Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide blue double tick on WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now here you can see three dots. You have to press on this. Now go to settings and press on privacy. Now in this page, you can see here read receipts. If you want to hide your blue double tick on your WhatsApp, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to hide blue double tick on your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.